In primetime news this evening, a major gun and ammunition find at the Sangster International Airport. 3 dead in gun attack in Trelawney, and later, more pregnant women and children being hospitalized with COVID-19. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. We're on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Janella Precious. Also this evening, the financial week, Primetime sports commentary, E-Prime and weather. But before the break, the feedback question. And this evening we're asking, what's your reaction to the Reggae Boys' performance against Peru Thursday night? You can share comments online, facebook.com/television Jamaica, and tweet us at televisionjam1. Please stay with us. Primetime News returns after this break.